Top 3 ways to learn how to day trade. Hi, I'm Carl, DayTradeToWin.com. Today we will discuss the top 3 ways you can learn how to day trade. First of all, day trading is a profession like any other, and you will need to learn what it takes to become a day trader, just like you would need to learn welding techniques if you wanted to become a professional welder. Day trading is the only profession where you can make more money than doctors or sports stars without any formal education. You don't need a degree from Harvard or Princeton to have the same career and income as the Wall Street hotshots. Who cares about your education when you trade stocks, futures, or forex at home on your computer? And once you're a successful day trader, people will throw money after you to have you manage their capital. Here are the most common ways to learn how to day trade. Number 3. Trial and error. This is, unfortunately, the way many aspiring traders select when they decide they want to become day traders. People, by nature, often think highly of themselves and tend to refrain from taking advice from others or getting help from someone who is more experienced. I bet you often tried things on your own instead of getting help from a professional. So if you decide to do it by trial and error, you would download some trading software from the internet, start day trading, buying, selling randomly, or apply some of the hundreds of indicators included in the software and try to interpret what they mean. This would take you something like 2-3 years because you're learning everything from scratch. If you do this, I sure hope you're not trading with real money, because I'll bet you $1,000 that you will lose your shirt trying to learn day trading on your own. Number 2. Spending time and money on reading books. If you like reading, then this is certainly an option. But the downside is that it takes a very long time to learn how to day trade if you select this option. There are literally thousands of books available on the subject of day trading, so even if you had the time and wanted to read, you would need to be able to find the right books for you in the first place. You could of course read recommendations and reviews, but all traders are different, so the theory and the books might not suit your style of learning, even if someone on the internet recommended a book for you. And who says that the guy is a successful day trader anyway? If you find day trading books in your library, then it wouldn't cost much more than your precious time. But if you're going to buy the books to read, then I hope you have a well-paying job, because the good theoretical books are expensive. And number 1, get a day trading coach that provides strategies that you can use from the get-go. Needless to say, this is the best option. If you had decided to become a professional baseball player, would you go to the library and spend time reading books about baseball? Or would you practice by yourself in the backyard? No, of course not. You would find the best coach who has gone through what you're trying to do and learn from him. He would tell you the shortcuts and show you the fast track to success. Learn everything that you need from someone who already knows everything you will need to know to be a day trader. At DayTradeToWin.com, we have 10 different trading strategies that we will teach you in the mentorship program. For more than a decade, we have turned people just like you into professional day traders. This is our 11th year in business, and we want to celebrate that by making you our next day trading success. Depending on if you like fast-paced scalping or more laid-back day trading, we got you covered. Your best option is to join our 8-week mentorship program. You will get all of the 10 day trading strategies, all courses, all software, all support, and live training for 8 weeks. This is the fastest way to become a successful day trader that we know of. We provide everything you need to get started day trading in 2 to 8 weeks. You can also just get one of the trading strategies we provide on our website, the Trade Scalper, the Atlas Line, or the At the Open 2 trading strategy. We provide a free trading platform and practice environment, and a live real-time data feed free of charge. And we have great customer support that will help you get up and running quickly. Visit DayTradeToWin.com now and get started, because if you want to learn fast and get access to real day trading strategies and systems, then this is your best option. We have a restricted number of seats available, so we will take on new clients on a first-come, first-served basis. Thank you for watching. We have a whole bunch of videos available on our YouTube channel, and we're producing more videos for you to watch every week, like live day trading, educational videos, and more. So please subscribe by clicking the button below in the bottom right corner of this video. Please give us a thumbs up for encouragement, and always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the comments below. And remember to visit DayTradeToWin.com.